Normally in Moodle you have one of these course pages for every actual class that you have in real life. There are exceptions to that rule. You can choose to have more or less, but that's standard for the school, and it's easier to stick with the standard thing. This is what a brand new course page looks like. Let's just go through a quick introduction to it. Firstly, it's in sections. Section 1 opens up in a light box, section 2, etc. Often these would apply to each unit of work, maybe per achievement standard, if that's what you're doing. And we'll look at how to rename those and put pictures on them and make it look a bit better very soon. You should have this turn editing on button in the top right. If you don't have that, you need to let me know, because that's just a permission change that I need to make. So if I turn editing on now, we can see we've got a bunch more options have appeared. We've still got this stuff at the top, but we've got some change image things. We've got this little gear wheel thing, which is quite important. And if we scroll down, we can see we've got the actual sections where we can add activities and resources, and also again the little gear wheel so we can change things, and also the little eye so we can hide things or show them from the students. So let's look at some of the first things that you would look at. It's not usual that you'd need to use all 10 sections. Some courses do, but probably not until you've really got going. So if you go into administration and find edit settings, you can remove some of those courses, so it just looks a bit neater and tidier, not having lots of blank stuff lying around. So I'm just going to go down to 4 sections here, save changes. It was under course format. So I've got 4 sections, and those are the 4 right there. Change images, of course, a way to make it look a little bit prettier. You probably don't want it to say section 1 at the top, so I'm just going to click on this little icon here, edit summary, and I'm going to untick the use default section name and type in something useful. Say this is a maths course, this will be the probability section maybe. And you can type some text here. Often people type pointless and useless text here. I'm just going to type some, I guess, pointless, useless text just to prove that point. And this editor lets you do all the usual wordy kind of stuff. You can insert images and whatever else you want to do. Save changes. So just to see how that looks, we've got probability there. I'll turn editing off, click on the probability section, and I've got some pointless useless text right there.